You can still see it a bit. This one, I like this one. The problem here is that you can still see them in visible light, so we're gonna fix that. We're gonna make this invisible. Let's do it. Whoa, it glows. It glows. It's interesting. It's really glowing. It glows green, like some powerful radioactive material. Change the water. Okay, the tip is clean, the tip of the highlighter is clean, the sponge is clean, sponge is clean. Okay, time for the next step. Lemon juice. Squeeze the lemon. I want to make a little experiment. It's much weaker than the previous one. And the sponge doesn't glow like before. Okay. Take the sponge, soak it in the lemon juice, and squeeze it. Don't let any seeds get in. Okay. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's try it. So the tip is transparent. There is the lemon juice inside the marker. And I will write now a message. Okay. The message is written. I'm just waiting for the paper to dry a bit. And now you have two options. You can use heat. You can use heat to activate the message. Okay, it's completely dry now. Now this is just a blank page, paper, just one wet spot there. There is nothing on this paper, but is it? Let's see. This is the moment. This is the moment of truth. Let's see if there is anything there. I will turn off the lights. Oh, I can see it. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so I think the camera is filtering this. I can see this. Let's see. Let's try. This is a secret message. Yes. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it really well. With the better UV light, you will be able to see it even better. Oh wow, my hand looks so strange. So it says this is a secret message, question mark. Yes, question mark, exclamation mark. I can write something right now on it. I will say it works. You can see it. That's the message there, it works. This looks really so interesting. Oh, wow. And if I start the regular light, it's just a blank piece of paper. There is nothing there. You cannot see anything. It's completely blank. So if you wanted to do something really interesting, try this.